Hi everyone. Today I will explain about this how to create the uh, mechanical equipments in the HVAC and the same time how we can able to connect the hydraulic return and supply connections. Okay, so I can go to system, choose the mechanical equipment, edit. So I can go to load. I can find out one AHU chilled water coil. So I can choose it. Okay. Now this is level 1. So I have to make it the elevation around 3200, and I can place it somewhere here, and I can place it somewhere here. Okay, this one I can just rotate it. Okay, so when you keep this one, click this one, so you can find out the duct out, duct in here. You can find out the hydraulic returns and supply pipes, and this is the sanitary. Okay. Right. So first of all, I will explain to you how you can connect these two pipes. So you have to select this one first. Go to the piping. Here you can find out the hydraulic supply. So you can just open the system editor. Go to add, and you can add it this one and finish. Again, you can select. Go to the generate layout. Go to setting. Here you can find out the main branch and main and branch the offsets. Okay, so if you want you can change it, otherwise you can leave it. Here you can go for your network. I will keep this network and I can press finish. So now I just select this one and I can go to choose in 3D view. Here you can find out. I can just remove the Revit link. See, this your connection connected. Okay, right. Now I can go back to same level. Again, I can go to choose this one to piping. Now the return, you can go to choose open editor and add system. Go to add and apply. Again, you can select, go to choose the layout, return. Okay. Now I can go to choose my line or line diagram. So please confirm this one is sometimes it's going to clashes. So better you have to avoid the clashes. Okay. So I just create like this. Okay. And go to setting. I can make it around 2300. And this one also I can make it below the supply. So I just apply. Again, I can just make it the 3D view. So it's showing like this way. So now I just hiding the lighting elements. So it's this is our pipes. So here also you can find out some clashes. So you can just move it like this. And here also you can confirm the sizes. It sometimes clashes. So here also you can find out, can just drag it front. So it's see here also it's clashes. So I just remove this one. Okay, I just remove this one. Mm, So I can go back to my ceiling level. I can make it the section. Okay. So this is a section. I can go back to this one. So I can just drag it this one little bit. Okay. So here also I can go to select, draw the pipe. So I can make it, can connect it like this. So I can connect these two. It's done now. So I can go back to 3D. It's done. Here you can find out. Okay. But um, here also I can just remove this one because go back to TR. Check it this one. Okay. So otherwise you can just move with this one over. No? So otherwise you can leave it. So here also you can find out this is okay. This is not clashes, but here you can just drag it down. Okay. This is okay, right? Now we have supply and return. Now I can go to choose view template and create mechanical ceiling and go to edit, go to filter. I can go to choose edit in. Here I can go to choose new. I can make it the filter uh, hydronic supply. Okay, this is hydronic supply and this is the filter of piping. I can go to choose pipe system, pipe insulation, pipe fittings. Here I can go to choose the system name equal, can go for the hydronic supply one. Okay, and apply. I can go back to new. I can hydronic return. I can put it. Okay, the same thing I have done. Pipe fittings, insulations, pipe system, fixes, underneath the fixes. Okay, I can go for the system names equals, go for the return. Apply. Okay, I can go back to filter, make it this two, hydronic return and supply. Okay, so supply I can make it fill blue color. Okay, and return I can make it which color, and apply. Okay, apply. Okay, now you can go back to here. So here can remove the details and model display. Can go to find, can go to shaded. So you can find out these two colors filters are created here. Okay, so after that you can just go to select any insulation. You can just select, right click, visible in view. So you can go for both pipes insulations. Just look like 5 mm or something. So it will be created. At the same time, you can just select this fit outs fittings. You can go for and insulation 5. You can find out this one also. Let's make it like this. So this is a way you can able to create the insulations with connections.